If you've never placed a trade before in your life, then this is the tool to start with because it's going to give you some ready-made trade ideas that are put together every single trading day. I'm Joe from Acuity Trading. I'm going to talk to you about some tools that are available on the FXPesa portal that some customers might find very useful. If you're a novice trader, if you've never traded before and you're looking for some inspiration of how to get started with financial markets, then there's plenty of tools available in the analysis tab that will be able to help you navigate the financial markets comfortably and with confidence. The tools are available in the FXPesa portal. If you go to the analysis tab, you'll be able to find a list of different tools which are available to you to help you on your financial journey. These tools are available to all FXPesa clients. Even if you're just starting out with a demo account, you will be allowed to have 2 weeks of access to the tools, and you'll be able to navigate for yourself, find out what tools are available, what signals you can benefit from, and hopefully have some profitable outcomes. There's unlimited access to all of the research tools if you're an FXPesa customer. Under the Analysis tab, you'll find at the top you can access the Signal Center tool. This is where we build trade ideas every single day for traders to help you navigate the financial markets. If you've never placed a trade before in your life, then this is the tool to start with because it's going to give you some ready-made trade ideas that are put together every single trading day. We have a team of analysts who every day create brand new trade ideas based on what's happening in the markets right now. So if there's upcoming economic events, if there's lots of volatility, all of this is taken into account by our analysts who are vastly experienced. We've been doing this since 2017 and we've got a pretty extensive track record of producing high quality trade ideas that are suitable for novice and experienced traders. Each trading day you'll get a list of over 50 different signals on a variety of different markets. So if it's FX that you're interested in, or it's commodities, or maybe even stock indices, there will be trade ideas there on the most popular markets that you can take advantage of. The confidence score goes between 0 and 100%. If we have high confidence trade ideas, that generally means that we're trading in line with the trend. So if it's gold that we're looking to buy today and the trend is moving higher on multiple time frames, the confidence score will typically be a lot higher. However, if we have low confidence scores, it doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad trade. It typically means that we are trading against the trend. Now, everybody knows that with trading, the trend is your friend, but sometimes the trends reverse. And when they do, that can be when you get some really nice rewards for the risk that you take. You can also filter by asset class. So when you access the tool on its own, you will get all of the trade ideas as a default. But if you're only interested in FX or commodities, then quite simply, you can select which asset class is of most interest to you. Once you've done that, you can then scroll through the opportunities that are available today with these ready-made trade ideas. So we've got entry levels, we've got stop levels, we've got entry levels, we've got stop levels, and take profit levels. Each of these ideas come with a confidence score and also a new sentiment score. So this is a very unique tool to Acuity Trading. We use artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities to find what is happening in the news today and actually try and visualize that rather than having to read through multiple articles to try and find out what's happening in the markets today. So with this idea that we have on the screen, I'm looking at gold and we have a buy limit with 80% confidence. And as you can see, we have all of the main levels there that you would need in order to place your first trade. So we have the entry, we have the target, and we have the stop. Below that, we have the market chart. This is where we can visualize what is happening in the markets today. We can see what the price has been doing over the last month and visualize the opportunity live on the screen. We can see the red and the green icon to the right of the chart. That indicates the risk reward of the trades today. Every single trade idea that we publish has a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio or better. So the risk reward ratio refers to how much risk we are taking versus how much reward we expect to make. Every single trade idea that we publish has a risk reward ratio of at least 2-to-1 or better. So for every $1 that we risk, we're always looking to make at least $2 in return for the risk that we take. Sometimes the risk reward ratios can be far greater than 2-to-1, even 3 or 4 or 5-to-1, meaning that just for a small amount of initial risk, we can potentially make some really large returns. Now, of course, it's important to note that trading is risky and there is no guarantee of success with these signals. We have a track record dating back to 2017 and an average win rate of between 45 to 50% on the signals. But because of that risk reward ratio, making sure that we always make far greater returns than we do taking on the risk, we make sure that we get profitable outcomes over a long period of time. The signals are created by a team of analysts who are based all around the world and they're vastly experienced at what they do. They've been trading for many years, so you're in safe hands with the knowledge that these guys have got, and they're passing it on to you to create trading opportunities every single day. Around the European Open, we send out many signals, all of which are live and ready to go on that particular day, and they will remain valid for a period of 24 hours. Once that 24 hours has lapsed, there will be new trade ideas that are written according to what's happened the previous day, and also what's upcoming with the various economic announcements that come out in the trading day. Economic events are an important part of trading, and every single comes listed with all of the upcoming economic events that are due out that day that are relevant to that particular signal. So you'll only see the information that is relevant to that particular market, and it serves as a warning to let you know that there could be substantial volatility throughout the trading day as a result of these economic data points. Each trade idea also comes with support and resistance levels. Now, these are specific levels that are generated by our team of analysts where they believe could provide turning points in the markets. So resistance levels suggest that there are prices higher up that the price may get to before it then reverses, and support levels are levels that are lower down in the market and perhaps could provide a point at which a market bounces. Each of the trade ideas comes with detailed explanation about why we've come up with this trade idea today. Each idea has at least 5 phrases, so these are technical terms that the analyst has seen on the chart and is describing what they see and why they believe this is a good opportunity today. Now, this can be a really good tool if you are on your journey in financial markets and trying to educate yourself. This kind of information, if read on a daily basis, will help you accelerate your learning and get on the path to become a more successful trader. Every trade idea comes with a detailed explanation about why we've come up with this trade idea today. So we are doing our very best to explain to traders why we believe this is a good opportunity today. Now, if you read this information on a daily basis, there is no doubt that this will help you become a more successful trader in the long term, because it's educational information and it will allow you to learn more about financial markets a lot quicker. If you can understand why traders are coming up with these ideas, you will soon be able to come up with your own trade ideas and be on your way to profitability. By reading these phrases on a daily basis and educating yourself about why trade ideas are set up in the way that they are, you will no doubt be on your way to profitability a lot sooner if you can take on this information and use it successfully. So check out the signals today on the FXPesa portal. Also, if you want to learn more about trading tools from FXPesa, you can check out this video now, and don't forget to subscribe.